everyone, my name is Jiri. What do you think is one of the most used words in English?
The...
That's right!
In this bite-sized lesson, you learn some practical rules that will help you when using the definite and indefinite articles. Also, if you enjoy our videos, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Look at these three words. Would you use a or an before them? Use an before words which begin with a vowel sound, an elephant, and a before words which begin with a consonant sound, a player. Notice that I said a vowel sound, not a vowel letter. University begins with a y sound, which is a consonant. That's why it is a university. Similarly, use the before a vowel sound,
The elephant.
and the before a consonant sound, the
player.
Remember that a singular countable noun such as person or elephant always needs an article, and that you can't use a or an with plurals or uncountable nouns. I have a dog. Does the listener know which dog I mean? No, she doesn't. Use a or an to speak about something for the first time. This information is new for the listener. I found the dog!
Great!
This time the listener knows which dog the speaker means. Use the to speak about something you have mentioned before or when it is clear what you're referring to from the context. Use a or an to say who somebody is or what something is. I'm a teacher and a father.
That's a delicious meal. Here comes
The sun.
do-do-do-do.
Use the when there is only one of something. The sun. The president of your country. In the kitchen. Similarly, use the with superlatives. This is the best song ever! Finally, don't use the when making general statements. Czech men have a great sense of style. In this game, you and my friends will see a sentence with a missing article like this one. When I say jump, the person who thinks that article can be used in my sentence jumps. If there is no article needed, nobody jumps. I'll always give you 5 seconds to think about your answers.
Jump! Jump! Jump!
Do you use articles in your first language? Write us in the comments below. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye!